Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox Sign with Zapier for automated compliance checks, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Dropbox Sign account. Once logged in, locate the API settings in your account dashboard. Here, you will generate an API key needed for integration. Copy the API key and keep it secure for future use. Next, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. If you do not have an account, create one using your email address. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to begin creating your automation. In the Trigger App search bar, type Dropbox Sign. Choose Dropbox Sign from the list of available apps. Select a trigger event that meets your compliance check needs, such as document signed. Connect your Dropbox Sign account in Zapier by pasting. Once connected, customize the trigger by selecting the specific document or event to monitor. Test the trigger to ensure it pulls in the correct data. After successfully testing the trigger, click Continue to proceed to the action step. In the Action App search bar, type the app you want to connect with for compliance checks. Select the app from the list and choose the corresponding action event. Connect this app to your Zapier account according to the instructions provided. Customize the action by mapping the data pulled from Dropbox Sign to the fields in the chosen app. Double-check the mapping to ensure all necessary information. Test the action to confirm that the integration is working correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to finalize your setup. Rename your Zap for easy identification later. Finally, turn on your Zap to start automating compliance checks between Dropbox Sign and your chosen app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.